We'll guide you through how to change the aspect ratio in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on CapCut, and for whatever reason you want to go and change the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is essentially the size of the video. So we're going to guide you through this, and it's going to be the size of the project. You could do this with an existing project you have, or you can go and make a new one. In this case, I'll make a new one. So let me press new video. You can then come and choose what you want to do this with. I'll select this and press add. By default, CapCut will go and use the aspect ratio of the media and video you want to add it in. So this video here is 9:16, aka the portrait or vertical aspect ratio, which is why it's being used. But perhaps you're trying to go and make it for a certain platform, and so it needs to be a certain aspect ratio, like YouTube Shorts need to be a certain size, or YouTube long form, TikTok, etc. Press the back button in the bottom left if you see it. Then at the bottom, you can go and scroll along, and you want to go and find the option for aspect ratio. Go and tap on it. Now you can go and see the different options you've got. Scroll along and find the one you want. In this case, I want 16:9, so I'll select that there and press the tick. And there it is. What I like to do here is just go and change the background. So we press background. I want to have a blur, so I'll select that. Choose the level of blur, then you can press the tick, and that's it.